led to this. I done changed the way I think, now a lot of things that I won't miss. On the grind, I know the cost, loving hoes ain't for no boss. Hundreds come and watch them running, fuck all that, don't wanna talk. I was nobody at once, built myself up now in front. Think you slick, okay, we'll see how far you get with your little stunt. I stay reppin' for my gang, told the rest stay. If I do some shit with you, we'll use each other, I've been new. Please don't act like you know me from where we met, you have no clue. Cannot tell these niggas shit, I won't say much outside my crew. Check the grass like every day, cause any snake I'll see right through. Chasing bags, they wanted this, if he leeching, I'll dismiss. Pain and sweat with sacrifice, I gave it, you not getting shit. I don't think this streets really know. Hit me on the phone when they want something from me. One that came, I told them no, they wanna let me go and leave. Got some friends, but just a few. Stuck up for my bros, and when we win, we bear the fruits. Ever since I made the choice to go the way I want, pulled myself up off the ground and turned into a boss. Taught myself the game, and now my neck we call it Voss. Hopped out in the night with Benny G, so they gon' talk. Ran up in myself, this shit all started from me. I can't really hang with most, but I'ma always rep my team. First 2 years of college, I was moving with no goals. Got myself together, I'm so